Before you scroll, listen to me for just 5 seconds. What if you could understand English without stress, without fear, and without feeling stupid? If that sounds good, you're in the right place. Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anam, and today we are doing slow English listening practice. This video is for you if you understand some English, but people speak too fast, and you feel lost. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today we will use easy English. We will speak slowly. We will repeat important sentences. And we will practice daily conversation. You don't need a pen. You don't need a notebook. Just relax and listen. Before we start, let me tell you how to use this video. This is very important. First, don't try to understand every word. It's okay if you miss something. Second, listen for the idea. What is the situation? What is happening? Third, repeat after me, out loud, or in your mind. Ready? Good. Let's begin. Imagine this. It's morning. You wake up. You feel a little sleepy. Let's practice morning English. I will speak. You listen. Then I will repeat. Ready? Good morning. How are you today? Again. Good morning. How are you today? Now. How do you answer? Think for 1 second. You can say, I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Let's repeat together. I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Great. This is very common English. People use it every day. They don't ask because they want a long story. They ask to be polite. So, you don't need a big answer. Simple is best. Remember this sentence. I'm fine, thank you. One more time. I'm fine, thank you. Good job. Now, let's talk about feelings. Because we all have feelings, right? Sometimes you are happy. Sometimes tired. Sometimes not good. Let's practice. How are you feeling today? Possible answers. I feel good. Again. I feel good. Or, I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. Or, I feel okay. Repeat. I feel okay. Very nice. Real life tip. You don't need big words. You don't need difficult English. Native speakers use simple words too. Simple English is strong English. Say it with me. Simple English is strong English. One more time. Simple English is strong English. Yes. Now, let's practice small talk. Small talk is short conversation. People talk about easy things. For example, weather, work, daily life, weather talk. Listen. It is very hot today. Repeat. It is very hot today. You can also say, it is cold today. Repeat. It is cold today. Or, the weather is nice today. Repeat. The weather is nice today. Good. Let me ask you something. Is the weather hot where you live? Think about it. You can answer, yes, it is hot. Or, no, it is cold. Very easy. Now, let's talk about daily routine. What you do every day. I will speak slowly. Listen carefully. I wake up at 7 a.m. Again. I wake up at 7 a.m. You can change the time. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. Repeat. I wake up at 6 a.m. Good. Then I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Simple. Very simple. Then I have breakfast. Repeat. I have breakfast. Nice. Let's recap. Repeat with me. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. One more time slowly. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. Perfect. Now imagine you are at work or you are studying. Let's practice easy office English. I am busy today. Repeat. I am busy today. Or, I have a lot of work.
Repeat.
I have a lot of work. Very common sentences. Relatable moment. Sometimes we feel tired at work. Sometimes we want a break. You can say, I need a break.
Repeat.
I need a break. Yes, we all need breaks. Now, let's practice questions. Questions are very important. But don't worry. We keep them easy. What time is it?
Repeat.
What time is it?
Good.
Where are you from?
Repeat.
Where are you from? You can answer. I am from Pakistan. I am from India. I am from the USA. Change it for yourself. What do you do?
Repeat.
What do you do? Answer example. I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. Very nice. Now listen carefully. I will say a short conversation. Just listen first.
Hi. How are you? I'm Fine.
I am a little busy today, but the weather's nice. Now let's break it.
Hi.
Greeting.
How are you?
Feeling.
I'm Fine.
Answer. I am a little busy today. Daily life. But the weather is nice.
Small talk.
This is real English. Simple. Natural. Let me tell you something important. Please listen carefully. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Mistakes are okay. Slow is okay. Learning takes time. Say this with me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. Again. I am learning English. I am improving every day. Yes, you are. Now, final practice. Listen, then repeat. Good morning.
How are you?
I feel good today. I have work today. The weather is nice. Excellent. You did amazing today. Really. You listened. You practiced. And you stayed till the end. English is not about being perfect. English is about communication. Keep listening. Keep repeating. And never give up. Now tell me in the comments. How are you feeling today? Write one simple sentence. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. More slow English is coming, just for you. Thank you for learning with me.
Take care. Keep smiling.
And see you in the next video. Bye bye.